Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Louise Lacquer, Fish Out of Water and Bundle Monster BM-420. I started off with Nailtiques Formula 2 and here is Louise Lacquer, Fish Out of Water. This is one of the polishes I won on Instagram. It's gorgeous. So I'm going to cap my free edge first. Sometimes I like to do that. And then we're going to go in with our first coat. And it is rather sheer on the first coat especially, but it's got all that glitter in it. And so I appreciate that you can do a nice thin layer of it. I'd rather do 3 thin layers than, you know, have some bulk on my nails. And now we're going to go in with the second coat. I love this blue with this gold, and it's got shimmer in it, and it's just a gorgeous polish. And the formula is fantastic, not having any issues. I am going to do a third coat. I probably could have gotten away with 2, but you know, on some of these I just have to make a snap decision. I'm going to go over that free edge again to smooth it out. Hi Woody, how you doing? Good job. So I'm going to top it with the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat. This is my in-between top coat that I like to use. I'm going to get this to dry down so that we can do some stamping. Very, very nice. Very pretty all on its own. I will have a swatch photo coming up here very soon of this polish all by itself before I go messing with it. Hi Woody, back again. There he is. Alright, so there is that beautiful polish. And then BM-420, I'm going to use this zipper image and a couple of more. I get kind of carried away. I got my monocle stamper and my beauty scraper, and this is Essie's Penny Talk. It's kind of a copper penny color. So I'm going to use this little corset looking image here on my pointer nail. I decided I was going to do zippers on all of them, but then I got to looking at the plate and changed my mind. I decided to use a couple of images I'd never used before. Now, of course, I'm calling this a Bundle Monster plate because that's what it was. It was Bundle Monster. This was a plate that was purchased way before they thought about becoming Maniology. I don't know if this plate is still available, but there are other plates with zipper images and corsets and tuxes and stuff. So just whatever you got in your collection that'll work. And here we go with the zipper. Mush mush. And I went with this color because, you know, a lot of my old jeans, the zippers weren't really gold. They were kind of coppery looking. So I figured this color would kind of work. But after I looked at it on my nails, it was a little more pink looking. Maybe more rose gold. So, but it works. So I'm using that tux image on my ring nail. But with my nails being short, it's kind of hard to tell what it is. Should have stuck to the zippers maybe. I don't know. I ended up really liking it though. Worked out really well. Kind of hard to see on camera. I am going to use the smudge free top coat from Maniology. Going to seal this design in without smudging it. And then I'm going to top it with the Poshe fast drying top coat. And that will complete this here manicure. Very, very nice. Very, very smooth. Easy manicure. No issues. Always like it when they work out like that. But I am just like everyone else. I get on that struggle bus sometimes. See, Woody's got multiple jobs. He helps me clean up all around. I had to get that big lava top coat off the underside of my nail. So here it is in motion. I hope you enjoyed this one. I have a swatch photo coming. I would love to hear from you. What do you think about this one? And that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.